Now that it's autumn and your hibiscus is looking kind of scraggly, but you're not ready to cut the stems, it's okay to pull off the brown leaves. Some of these leaves are still cool, but others are brown like this, and you can just pull them off. Some of them are just falling as I sit here, but yep, you can just do that if you want to. This stem is brownish. I already cut some of the more brown part, but I'm waiting for the root ball to suck in all this green before I cut the stem, because all of these stems are going to die. The seed pods are browning too, so you can remove those. In there is a seed pod. Let's see if there are any seeds inside. This is the plum crazy. I can't really tell, but I don't think there are any little seeds in here. Here's a little brown piece you can try to break off or cut off. But coming back and forth is kind of annoying, so you might want to wait a few days and these stems will all die anyway, at which time you can cut them down all at once. Plum crazy hibiscus.